a doctor or anything to help my people. I can't. I'm just a kid. I don't even know what to do. I get scared, but not really that much. I do everything for my people, but I don't know what to do. I'm just 10. All of this, when I see it, I literally cry every day. Saying to myself, why do we deserve this? What did we do to this? My family said they just hate us. They just don't like us because we are Muslim. Why does Muslim act for you like that? You see all the kids around me, they're just kids.